How to download QuillBot on your PC. To know that QuillBot is not available for download on your PC, so you can only add an Chrome extension or any kind of browser extension on your browser. So I'm going to show you how to do that exactly. First, open up any web browser you have and then search for QuillBot extension. And once you search for it, you can find the QuillBot extension on the Chrome Web Store. You just click on it, and here you will find an option to add to Chrome, and then just click on Add Extension. Once you do that, you should be able to see your extension on QuillBot. It's downloading right here, and once done, you can find your QuillBot extension on the extension collection. So right here you can see I have my QuillBot extension open, and if you want to add this to your Word, what you can do is click on the new tab and search for QuillBot for Word. And once you search for it, the first link is QuillBot for Microsoft Word, and you can just click on this, get it from Microsoft Store, and here is the step-by-step guide on how you can add it to your Microsoft Word, and you can use QuillBot on your Word as well. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.